Are you looking for the top 5 robotic pool cleaners? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best robotic pool cleaners on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. X5 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Triple brushless motors and unmatched 5500 GPH suction. Powered by 3 premium brushless motors, the Pondy X5 Robotic Pool Vacuum delivers ultra-strong 5500 GPH suction while consuming less energy than standard models. It effortlessly lifts leaves, sand, hair, gravel, and small twigs, transforming murky pools into crystal-clear retreats. No manual scrubbing required. Complete coverage with smart navigation and 4 cleaning modes. With advanced smart navigation and 4 cleaning modes, the X5 Cordless Pool Vacuum ensures complete coverage of your pool's floor, walls, and water line. No spots missed. These 4 modes: auto, wall only, floor only, classic. Let pool owners choose the most efficient cleaning pattern based on pool size and condition, helping reduce energy use while maximizing results built for all pools, all surfaces, all shapes. Designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools of any shape. Rectangular, kidney, L-shaped, or custom. The upgraded Caterpillar tracks with PVA cotton rollers provide superior grip and maneuverability, allowing the X5 Pool Vacuum to clean all common surfaces, including vinyl, mosaic tile, concrete, and fiberglass. Reinforced brushes and durable treads ensure powerful, non-abrasive cleaning on every pass. 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. Enjoy peace of mind with a full 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support available around the clock. What's in the box? 1X Pondy X5 Pool Vacuum Cleaner, 1X adapter, 1X retrieval hook, 1X multilingual manual, yen/es/de/fr/it, 1X FAQ guidance. Number 2. X2 Cordless Pool Cleaner Robot. Powerful technological core, the Pulleys X2 Pool Cleaner uses 4-axis gyroscope tech and 8 precision sensors for 95% cleaning coverage. It has the industry's toughest motor shaft at HRC45 hardness, offering superior wear resistance and a lifespan extension of 60%. Pool cleaning efficiency improved by 95%. Pulleys X2 Pool Cleaner features a dual motor design, which boasts a 50% longer lifespan compared to single motor products. The enlarged dual suction inlet design, paired with a 45W high power motor, effortlessly picks up sand, hair, and leaves from the pool. With a large 2L capacity, it can hold more debris. Durable and safe, it incorporates 9-dimensional safety protections, with special materials ensuring a longer product lifespan. Electrical safety protections effectively guarantee usage safety and high precision. Wear-resistant sealing rings achieve industry-leading waterproofing standards. Number 3. AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Upgraded powerful suction with the powerful dual-drive motors, 50 watts. Seagull 1000 Pool Cleaner can effortlessly traverse the pool bottom at a speed of 52.5 feet/16 MTRs a minute. The large capacity 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 90 minutes, provides you a better and exquisite cleaning. Equipped with 2 wider suction nozzle, 5.5-foot asterisk one. Seagull 1000 Pool Vacuum pulls in kinds of matter from debris to insects and small stones to leaves up to 5.5-inch wide. Larger cleaning range with an upgraded larger filter volume, 3.9L. This pool vacuum is perfect for above-ground pools up to 35-foot diameter, in ground pools with the flat floors up to 17 by 50 feet, and can climb an incline up to 15 degrees. Also, this pool vacuum has 1 independent precise brush, ensuring a meticulous cleaning of your pool. AIPER Seagull 1000 Robotic Pool Cleaner, only for your convenient and effective pool cleaning experience. Low battery detection and self-parking technology with inbuilt self-parking technology. Seagull 1000 Robotic Pool Cleaner will park near the pool wall when the battery is low or after completing a cleaning cycle for easy retrieval. Easily remove the pool vacuum from the pool with the included floating rope. No need to get into the water or to get wet unnecessarily. As a pioneer in cordless robotic pool vacuums, AIPER adheres to using our expertise to provide pool owners with a hassle-free, smart, and simple pool cleaning solution. Comes with a 1-year warranty and worry-free customer service. Let your robot do the dirty work. Get your weekends back. Number 4. WYBOT A1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Exceptional dual filtration system. Setting WYBOT A1 apart from the norm, our pool robot boasts a rare dual-layer filtration system, combining a 180 micrometers filter with a cotton foam layer, enhancing filtration efficiency by 50%. Effectively captures a wide range of debris, including small leaves, sand, and so on, elevating your pool's cleanliness. Note: if the pool is dirty, clean the filter every 30 minutes to avoid clogging and damage. Extended 120-minute runtime. A one's extended working time is up to 120 minutes. This marks a remarkable 50 to 100% increase compared to previous models, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. Covering a maximum area of 1076 square foot, the pool cleaning robot is suitable for in-ground pools with water depth less than 2.5 meters. 5 LED indicator colors. The A1 comes equipped with a dynamic LED system featuring 5 distinct colors for clear status updates. Green signals battery level, blue indicates power on/working, yellow warns of low battery, purple signifies a selected cleaning cycle, while red alerts to any machine errors. Experience an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Edge cleaning function. When the cordless pool vacuum hits the wall, it will pause briefly to enhance its power for edge cleaning before resuming cleaning of the pool floor. The robot is not used in pools with slopes exceeding 15 degrees or with significant bottom wrinkles. Number 5. WYBOT Osprey 200 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. Powerful cleaning efficiency. The WYBOT pool robot is designed with dual motor power and features 2 bottom assist scrapers for superior cleaning performance. It is equipped with a 180 micrometers fine filter and strong suction capabilities, allowing it to effectively clean pools by easily picking up dust, leaves, and sand from both above ground and in-ground pools. Cordless and easy to use. Forget about tangled wires and messy hoses with the WYBOT Robotic Pool Cleaner. With a simple press of the power button, the WYBOT Robotic Pool Cleaner can automatically clean the swimming pool. Self-parking technology. Equipped with smart navigation technology, the Osprey 200 Robotic Pool Vacuum automatically plans its cleaning routes and returns to shore when the battery is low. You can easily retrieve the cleaner using the included hook. Lightweight. Weighing only 7.9 pounds, this compact cordless vacuum is easy to move and handle. You can effortlessly lift and take it out of the pool with one hand, making it convenient for anyone to operate.